Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to send message from Facebook. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to tap on shorts icon, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then tap on Facebook profile here. Then you will see the option of message. So tap on it. Then tap on message. Now tap on send icon, which is available on the bottom right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now see, you have successfully sent message through Facebook. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.